justice, equality, human rights, accountability, transparency, ethical behavior, respect, rule of law. In the law, Mumateka, right now with Joan Mulungi.
A very good evening, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you are. Those of you who are watching us from diaspora. Mwebale kubanga mutwe kumilako akadde konna akaseera konna obutakowa. We know you are loading data, guys. We appreciate you so much. Thank you for the subscriptions, for watching the past episodes we've had concerning the will writing, and now we are back. We want to know, what is marriage? What is it that we need to know about marriage? We are going to break it down here. I'm here with a lawyer. Tugenda bimenya okutandikira ku Islamic marriage, divorce, cohabiting, a lot. Think about anything you know about marriage. We are here to break it down and help you understand. We have people that are in marriage for 10 years, but they're marriage of cohabiting, and they think they're married. I'm yet to know if in Uganda, with that kind of marriage, you actually married, or by you're wasting time. So shit can happen, eh? Anyways, you're welcome. Thank you for joining in. All the time, and yes, we are here again with a lawyer. My name is Joan. Yes, sir. Balungi tusanze okulaba ku mukutu gwaffe ogw'amateeka.
Nange nsanyusa okubeera wano.
Waliwo yangamba mweyita the land people, abasajja abayivu, simanyi gye mugezaako tugamba.
Tuba tutegeeza nti we handle problems of every profession.
Oh, really? You cover up everyone.
That's why we are learned. Never president tubawolereza.
Okay. Oh,
so
okay. I now understand.
Every profession comes to us for solutions.
Okay, you can say hello to our viewers.
Good morning and good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Bokia Gilbert. I am a lawyer, and I work with NABU Kenya and Associated Advocates. We are switching the law firm to Volens Advocates by end of the year. I am also a lecturer at Kampala International University. I teach criminal procedure and land law. I'm a born again.
Wow, that is nice.
Proud.
Good.
Yes.
Most are born again. I don't know how we had to find ourselves at the same seat.
We give God the glory.
Amina.
Yes.
Nsonga tuziguze.
Okay.
Kati twagala kumanya ku nsonga ya bufumbo buno. What is marriage, counsel?
Oh, marriage is a huge concept. But then marriage is a voluntary. But the word voluntary at times, it depends on which kind of marriage. Because ojja kwesanga mu bufumbo obumu abaana abamu babaforcinga era ne bagenda ne bamarry.
Ebyo tebyali mu bedda.
Era ababedda ne kati amateeka gakyaliwo agalaga nti parents can consent on behalf of the child. Omwana n'agenda mu bufumbo.
Without their agreement.
Omwana ne ogenda wasa gundi bagenda okutwala haji gundi agenda okutwala. Omwana nga talina kyakwogera. Yakula already nga amanyi nze gundi yantwala. Abazadde bamugamba. But a general perspective on marriage, definition on marriage, it would be a voluntary union. And you see, in other terms, we say it's a contract. Much as other people say marriage is not a contract, but it is a contract. There are contracts that last for long. That last for long.
But I think I thought marriage is a lifetime commitment.
It is, but that's why I've said there are contracts that last for long.
Okay.
They can last forever. They still remain
it's one
contracts.
That lasts forever.
You said you're born again. You made a contract with God, a covenant.
Okay.
So in marriage also you make a covenant. That's why they are called. There are some marriage bands that you enter into. Sorry, marriage vows that you enter into. Meaning you are contracting. Yeah? So it's a union between two adults.
Okay.
Now, two adults of opposite sex. And that's what the Constitution provides for. That man and woman.
So if you're not of the opposite sex, you're the same sex, you can.
In Uganda, that is not marriage.
Okay, understood.
In Uganda, in other jurisdictions, let's say in America or where, the same sex can mean marriage. But here in Uganda, it's prohibited and it's criminal.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So marriage is a union between two opposite sex adults coming together to found a family or to establish a family.
Wow.
That's my simple definition, perhaps.
You know, issues to do with marriage. I am glad that you had to give me that explanation because everyone will see it in a different perspective. But I have some questions from the viewers that I got. I want us to go down to the forms of marriage.
Forms of marriage. Wow. There are about 5 forms of marriage that we have in Uganda. Do you know Jebaita customary?
Okay.
Customary, netubeerako ne civil, netubeerako ne church marriage, netubeera ne Mohammedan marriage, eyo y'Abasiraamu. Ye Islamic.
Okay.
Then netubeera ne kyetwandiise Hindu marriage. Kwatagana bayindi baffe kati wano. Ate bagikola. So ate amateeka galina okuba nga gaba coveringa.
Okay.
So they are also catered for under the law. Okay. The Hindu marriage.
All right.
Yes.
Kati, before we go to how it's celebrated and all that, I think we can break down one by one.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
One, customary marriage tusokeddeko. Eno bagicelebrate oba bagikola okusinziira ku buwangwa kyetwandiise customs z'abantu abo ababiri naye okusingira ddala mu customary bagoberera customs zaki z'omukyala.
Obuwangwa bw'omukyala
bw'omukyala, yes. Obanga oli Muganda gyo wano oba oli Musoga, ebusoga ki kye baagala? Baba baagala ente, omusajja ajja zitwalayo. Baba baagala kati wano mu Buganda waliwo kye bayita omutwalo gwa muzeeyi era gwe gusinga obukulu. Bino byonna bye baleeta simanyi ennyaanya biki busukaali obugoberera mutwalo gwani gwa muzeeyi. Ekyo kye bayita customary marriage.
But there are some waliwo ebintu ebimu ebiri inconveniencing. For example, I know so much that waliwo ebika ebimu nga bamuli asooka nga
abagisu bwe bagamba
simanyi oba beboka, but okay, waliwo tribes ezimu nga zirina ebintu ebiri tricky nga tajja sobola bireeta. But even besides the tribe thing, you find some people, for example, I'll go straight to the born again. Nga newankubadde bamwe bajja kwagala ekita ky'omwenge ajja gaana okukireeta because of their religion or whatever. The Seventh-day Adventists have their own way of doing things. How can it stop a marriage to happen?
Well, you see, it's a consensus reached. Sometimes where like a man omusajja mulokole oba Museveni lobo eddiini ye temukkiriza kuleeta bintu ebimu. Katugambe nga bw'ogambye omwenge, munoleeta omwenge waka. Abasiraamu tebasobola, of course, tebanywa mwenge. Generally, the perception tugirina nti abasiraamu tebakola ki? Tebanywa mwenge. Abasiraamu abalokole tebanywa mwenge. Abaseventh-day tebakikola. Naye kati mu maka g'omukyala basabye ki? Omwenge. So sometimes nze ndaba nga musobola otuula ne mwogera n'abazadde b'omukyala. Kukyala, then luvannyuma ne babafunira they list the things you're supposed to bring. Ente 5, embuzi 4, bwe bityo.
So customary kwanjula.
Customary kwanjula.
Is that a marriage of its own?
It is.
A complete one?
It is.
It can be registered?
Yes.
Really? Etteeka lyogera ki ku bufumbo bw'obuto kubanga to me bulinga obuli hanging. Buli hanging because there is an outlet of, you know, you can marry as many women as you want.
Now, in fact, tebuli hanging in that tulina neteeka eri governing a customary marriage.
Okay.
Customary Registration Act, Marriage Registration Act. Eye covering kiba kitegeeza already bwetongodde, it's a legal marriage. Tebubuzaabuza tebukola ki naye lwakuba nti buli potentially polygamous. In that osobola owasa omukazi omu, osobola owasa babiri, osobola owasa 10, bonna asowulira nga osobola okubalabirira. Naye in fact no kulabirira is not a prerequisite. Nti bwe wasanga bw'oyagala.
Ako tekuba kujoga.
Edda bajjajja
Is it still happening on this generation?
It does happen. It does. Just of recent year, I had a client who happened to have 2 wives, married customarily. Chanakunti yafa last year around December. We are married kufa. Ati bana abakyala, the problem was baali tebanaba kufuna ekipapula ekiraga nti they are what? They were married customarily. You get it?
Okay.
Yes. Now, when we were trying to go administration near estate,
it's when
you register. First of all, there is a cover. It's called a cover letter that you normally get. Abantu tebabifuna, in most cases they don't get that. 2, you're supposed to get a letter, consent letter from the parents. Bw'obifuna twala mu URS biba register.
You know what the challenge is? Here in Uganda, sinnawulirako bantu bagamba nti bayanjudde ne bakitekinga to a serious level of let us go and register this marriage.
Of course.
Because they don't take it to be a marriage.
Tebamanye ensonga lwaki ndowooza you had this initiative to sensitize the population.
Go ahead.
So, bw'omaliriza okwanjula, funa ebyo ebipapula by'ekugambye. Naye majorly consent y'abazadde b'omukyala y'ekyasinze. Making sure you take it to the URSB for registration. The certificate will be issued.
So after the certificate is issued, the same man is allowed, has the authority or anything to go back and marry another woman if they want or if they have the potential to take care of them.
Yes.
And it can so happen with the 4th, 5th, and 6th.
Exactly.
Wife. Oh, that is
exactly.
Also marriage.
Yeah, the purpose why you are supposed to, or you are required to register this marriage, is that at the end, maybe at the dissolution of the marriage, a wife or even a man, these days you see, even men benefit from marriages. There's a gentleman I know. For him, I think he's just calculative and shrewd. Ye mugezi was a poor man. Mokwanobag. Ne nasanga omukyala. Nasanga omukyala nga muki mugaga. Abamaze n'okukola bundi okola divorce. Omusajja ye n'ayingira waawo. My friend. But now they are married customarily. Neyinze kyemanyi kati anoonya bugaga bwa mukyala. Abaza bintu. Kubanga omukyala amusinga obukulu. Kusingira ddala obukulu. Naye mugezigezi ddala say kati anoonya ki. So it takes us back at the dissolution of the marriage. It's not only the woman who is going to benefit from that marriage.
In marriage. No. I'm just saying. Can't I get married to you, Gilbert, when I am? Let's say I'm like 37. You're like maybe 30.
No, you see, it is not meant to be that way.
Who says?
Who
says?
No, kati kambuze. omukyalo w'emyaka 4 nga gw'oli 25 omwagaza ki?
Can't you give back together?
Okay, kisoboka. Okay, since oba nina a negative view on that, but kubanga at some point when this guy gets to 35, this one will be 50 something. Ngalinga mama.
Which is okay.
Yeah. Really? Okay.
What is
fine.
To many people,
it's okay. To many people, it's okay. And that's why divorces are happening each and every.
What is the position of the law?
Huh?
So.
Okay, the position of the law is 2 adults will come together and found a family. You understand? But of course, a job. I'm just trying to reason. Just trying to reason.
Okay, I understand.
Not that it's bad. You understand? You get abamuba wasada benkangata. You understand? No. When you look into their motives, the men, there is something they want. Either after some year, 5 years or less, 10 or something of that sort, you'll find that they are not together.
Okay.
You understand? So, chitu zayonti, at the dissolution of marriage inti mutusa akaseera, then temukyayagala kubeera wamu bugamba obufumbo bwaffe bukole ki bukome. You understand? Parties into marriage, they are supposed to enjoy rights, or they have rights at, during, and at dissolution. At the inception of the marriage, nga obufumbo butandika, omukyala n'omwami mwina kye bayita rights zammwe ze mwenjoyinga. Obufumbo nga bugenda mu maaso, omukyala n'omwami mwina kye bayita rights zammwe you enjoy. Then obufumbo nga buggwako kye twandiyise dissolution. You understand? Awo nammwe era mulina rights. So kati ekintu kya rights at dissolution does not only happen to women.
What is a customary marriage? What are the essentials?
Essentials. Essentials are the customary marriage. Since one, age is very important. Age. Okay. In other,
so what age?
Some tribes were to do them 8 years African setting. Some tribes wangaya abana at 16 years, some even 14, but majorly 16. Mwana aweze emyaka 16 ng'akola ki nga afumbirwa bamufumbisa. You understand? Omwana kwegamba nga tanneetuuka, or maybe by then yali yeetuuka, I don't know, but semateeka akirambika lwattu nti omuntu yenna okugenda mu bufumbo alina okuba nga awezezza emyaka 18. You understand? So age is important mu customary marriage. 2, the payment of bride price. Okusasula kye twandiyise gubanga omutwalo gwa muzeeyi. Kati nembuuza maama tasobola asaba mutwalo singa muzeeyi baba yafa.
There is a function. Customary.
Yes.
The guys enjoyed everything, and on that very moment of bringing Mutwalo, so that I was told he went inside and had to put up apologies and all that. Did
they allow the apology?
They told him to move out.
Good. So it's a prerequisite.
But someone said to have that money, because sometimes some people hype those things. But it's about understanding. If Gilbert, you're my husband, I will understand that my husband cannot afford this right now. Do they have that room of discussion? You understand where I'm coming from? Don't we have that room of discussion that we shall really not be able to afford this? How can we be of help? It doesn't show that but it is taken to be that way.
It depends on the tribe. Some tribes are really rigid and they interpret those requirements strictly. If you have not come with the mutwalo, you are not good even to sit. You get it?
You're not a good husband.
You are in Bakusabo Mutwalo, never go a bank. You would have at least brought half Nogamba to get them maso. Itokusobola then toja kusobola muwala. Toja kusobola mukyala. Those are okay, so customs is that.
Can it really be defined that way that because my husband cannot bring, let's say, 100 cows, so he will not be able to take care of me?
Perhaps that is what.
What are my rights as a person that way to marry? How about if I come out as a bride and I say, man, I am going with my man?
It's what is in their mind. They will not give you a consent letter that is required for you to register. So don't you see omutwalo is important?
Okay.
Yes.
What are the other essentials?
Echirana, you have to have consent of the parents. It is, you see, the problem is it's still under debate. Obviously, the Law Reform Commission, Tenakola Bulungi, and I think I should now communicate to the committee. The law reform has not done enough, especially with regard to marriage laws. By virtue of the reception clause, Gana Mateka, Tegakolebwa wano mu Uganda. Nti oja kwesanga Marriage Act twagijjawa ebweru ne batugituleetera buleetezi wano. Okiraba Divorce Act ne tugijja ebweru nejja buzi wano mu Uganda. You understand? Waliwo kye bayita reception clause mu mateeka nti yeyo keka akawaayiro akayingiza amateeka amalala okuva ebweru from other jurisdictions negajja negakola wano. So law reform yandibadde tunuulira mu bintu ng'ebyo nti abazadde bwe baba nga tebakonsentinze mu marriage yaffe ne basalawo nti omwana waffe tomutwala ffe tetusobola kubanga definition ya marriage eraga nti it's a union between two adults. You understand? Ababiri ffe bwe twegala ne tukkiriziganya okubeera awamu tukole family. Lwaki abazadde already abali married mu byabwe ate batusalirawo? So the Law Reform Commission should also do something with regard to that. In that, if I don't get a consent from my parents, can't we still move on? Bayinza okubeera ne phobia embi ku ggwe. Bagamba omukyala akakyala nga kampi kalina amaaso amatini, we want okiraba ndowooza. Omulala agamba naye omukyala gwoleesa ava mu family ki enjavu. Tetwagala bwavu waffe. You understand?
But at the end of the day, they will not be in your marriage.
They don't want. But no salawo buli kintu ogezezaako naye bazadde baganya okola ki? Consenting.
Can this customary marriage be converted into Christian?
Very well. Very well.
Really?
However, conversion, you mean customary marriage?
I'm looking at a point of some abomululu abawasa abangi.
Akati awo kiba tekisoboka.
Okay.
Kubanga wasa customarily, nagambye when we were defining customary, sometimes we say it is potentially polygamous, meaning yo ekkiriza abakazi bonna b'osobola okuwasa. Naye ate abakazi tebakkirizibwa kuwasa. So okiraba, so omusajja kwawasa abakazi. You get it? So you can marry 1, 2, 3, 100, whatever. So teriko komo. You get it? However, where nga wawasa omukazi omu customary marriage, you are at liberty to shift to another marriage, especially
the
church.
The church marriage.
Yes.
Church full of customary will avoid.
When it is, of course, when the prerequisites are not followed.
Okay.
It is void where age is not attained. It is void where parents have not done what? Consented. In fact, at times,
that last statement, Is it prerequisite or?
The prerequisite ebisaanyizo nga temunaba kuyingira mu bufumbo waliwo by'olina okusooka okutuukiriza obulombolombo bwe butandise the customs the formalities byemwandisoose okukola mulyoke mukole ki naye being void kitegeeza nti obufumbo buno busobola okuba nga mubukoze fine ne mugenda ne mubeera wamu naye ng'ebyemabega bino temubikoze kyekibireetera okubeera kye twandiise mu gundi mu luzungu void nti in fact obufumbo tebuliiwo mu mateeka.
What is civil marriage?
Civil is a kind of marriage that is celebrated before a chief administrative officer or any registrar provided by the Minister of Justice.
Outside court or inside court?
It is outside court.
Okay.
You understand? It can be celebrated before a cow. Mugende wa cow ku district. Yeah? Ne baba gata. Ne mugende wa registrar. There's registrars many. You get the URSB, you get registrars of marriage. You understand? Era nabo ne bakola ki ne babagata. Yes. Naye obufumbo buno majjali nabo bulina mbundi zaabo.
Bulina ebizibu byabo.
Of course, every marriage has ebizibu.
But can it be cancelled because it's officiated outside court? Is it easy for you to resolve?
Marriages are not officiated inside court.
Okay.
No. Era when you get problems in marriages when maybe court is involved. But then, especially at the dissolution, that is when now court is involved.
Okay.
You get it? For customary, civil, and then church marriage, normally these other courts like the High Court, the Chief Magistrates Courts, those ones are the ones that handle maybe kwasaganya obufumbo. Then for Muslims, we have what they call, in fact, they are recognized under the Constitution. The Qadis courts. What is it? Qadis courts. Jeziri. This is handling issues to do with whatever Islam.
What is it that is needed?
The civil marriage, one, you make an application, of course, to the registrar.
Okay.
Yeah? Of civil marriages. If you want to go the whatever the URSB way, again the URSB, by nature it a civil marriage.
Do you need to do an application? Can I write on my own?
Yeah, it's what I'm doing.
Okay.
The Civil Marriage Bureau, URSB, Uganda Registration Service Bureau. Then you make an application. Application you can attach affidavits. Affidavits ebirayiro. Omukyala n'omusajja naye babona bakola ebirayiro. Mukola ebirayiro mu kirayiro olina okulaga nti tobeerangako mu marriage ndala. Si tobeerangako naye toli mu marriage ndala. Oyinza okuba wali obaddeko mu marriage endala, yes. Naye nga maybe nayo nebeera dissolved neggwawo. Mu mateeka waliwo bakuyita kola ki like okuva mu bufumbo. Okunoba. Okwenobya nogamba nze sikyali muki.
You can choose to eat.
No,
take a break, right?
Nkugamba nti dissolution marriage when you go ekirayiro kino ekya civil marriage, that affidavit olina okulaga nti tobaddeeko mu bufu oba obaddeko mu bufumbo obulala fine naye nga ne bakola ki ne buggwawo naye nga bulina okuggwawo mu mateeka si kwenobya nti navaayo linamuleka kyokka when you conducted marriage legally. Yes, there must be a divorce dissolving that marriage first.
Okay.
Second, osobola okukola ekirayiro ekyo ng'ogamba nti I've never been in any other marriage. Two, the parents are consenting. So from there, they will issue what they call a notice a notice 21 days notice.
Okay.
Never been here wogenda ku gundi.
Notice board.
Yes, wogende waka osange notice board ya marriage. Yes. Was you get a marriage bill, you get to marriage civil marriage bureau. Just sange notice board JD. Era these days are digitalized. Osanga ne screen eri isawo marriage genda kolebwa olunaku bweruti bwebicho. You understand? So a notice has to happen or has to be issued by a registrar to the public for 21 days. When the 21 days lapse, then we will eat a college celebrating a marriage. Now, if there is anyone, the purpose for the notice, so lwaki bateekawo kagundi ka notice ako nti it's like kind of a ban, marriage ban. Nti public has come, yes, musomyeko, yes, mulina ekizibu kwona kubana abagenda okuwasa. If yes, proceed to the registry book. Mu okole kye bayite caveat. Oteekako kye bayita caveat. Now caveat normally they write against that marriage. Only the intending parties bateekawo nti forbidden.
So if someone comes more period before the 21 days elapse, maybe this person na take their complaint. By najitekayo how? If I want to complain about something about this marriage, how am I supposed to complain?
Ogenda wa registrar. Then ubanga waliwo registry book ya marriages. And we take gundi ya notice these who are intending to marry. Against that marriage, but take out chebaita forbidden. Or it's caveat, meaning it's caveated. The linga bola bantu ntade caveat kutakali yange. Tewali wo kintu kyonna ekiyinza okugenda mu maaso. Now one, omuntu ayinza okujjako caveat eyo ye kooti. Kiraba ndowooza. Mugenda mu kooti omulamuzi. Ne batunula mu nsonga onataddeko eno caveat. Ensonga ino zireeta nga zirimu eggumba. Okiraba? Bwazireta nga zirimu eggumba, immediately they cancel the what? The marriage, the process, baji cancelling. 2. Bwabanga temuli gumba, bwaleese yo gundi, aleese yo caveat, bw'oyagala basazeemu obwo obufumbo. Nga temuli ensonga zo tezirimu gumba, High Court can compensate these people who are going to marry. Bwe n'obayirira ssente. Yes. The law is clear on that. So kati tomala gavavayo nogamba nze zimanyi notekawo ensonga ezitaliimu. Olina okuleeta ensonga ng'erimu eggumba either bano ababiri omu mufumbo era obufumbo bukyagenda mu maaso oba bano ababiri olw'ensonga nga y'amaanyi. Then they will cancel. If there is no reason, valid or vivid ground, awo kooti eyinza n'okusasuza ssente n'oziyirira bali. Kakati nsonga ki esobola okuvisa okustopping a marriage eno taking a place? Nogamba eyasibu. Yes. Ensonga nga olina ajja n'agamba nze munnaayo lwaki na kino ba magistrates ebagatta, right? It can be a magistrate. It depends. What are those reasons they can give you to say this marriage cannot take place? Okay. Katusooke tudde ku wali eri tutangazeemuko because you said magistrates. Now, if it is no, the others are registrars. Okay. Yes. But if marriage is to happen, or if marriage happened between a Ugandan and a non-Ugandan, then you go to the High Court. Okay. Yes. Ugandan and Ugandan, it may be a chief magistrate. There are 2 divorce causes that I'm handling in the chief magistrate's court. Okay. So, waliwo okubanga just that we are preempting the divorce thing maybe. Nti kisinzira lusi n'obufumbo bwe mulimu obugaga bwe mukuŋŋaanyiza. Bwe bubanga obugaga bususse bungi, then again there is also another court to handle. But people are at liberty still to go to the chief magistrate. But that is for divorce things. Yeah. Now, ensonga eziyinza okuleetera okukansolinga buno obufumbo bwa civil. Wasn't it the question? Yes. Yes. 1. if the 21 days notice has not been issued. Obufumbo ne bwebugenda mu maaso bubeera kye bayita void. Buba tebuliyo. 2, if at all the preliminaries like okusasula kati nakyo sometimes abazadde kubanga tebivaayo ne mu affidavit kyetwandiise ekirayiro kyokola kyemukola ne mutwalayo ewa registrar oba ewakaawo. Mu kirayiro ekyo mulina okulaga nti waliwo consent okuva eri abazadde and it must be proved by way of a letter.
Okay.
You understand? You attach it to kirayiro kyo kiteekako ekiraba kati bwekituuka nga abazadde teba consenting, possibly bazadde oluusi ba consenting because you have brought some bride price gy'oleese, or some of them may decide to waive ne bagamba tetwagala bride price baana bagende bugenzi bakole ki bafumbiriganye. You understand? That is also, as long as there is consent to the marriage from the parents, that is still okay. 3, if the marriage was not done within 3 months, nti obufumbo obanga tebwakolebwa mu myezi 3, 3 months, katugambe from the date of issuance of the notice, kati ne mumuyisaawo emyezi 3 nga tebukoleddwa ne mumala ne mubukola mu mwezi ogwokuna, obufumbo buba tebuliyo mu mateeka.
Council, let us come back. Yes. Anyways, we are still talking about marriage. The first episode is quite interesting and decisive, but let's wait for the second one. We're coming back with Council again. Bye.
Justice, equality, human rights, accountability, transparency, ethical behavior, respect, rule of law. No one is above the law. In the law, Mumateka. Don't miss the next episode.